Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent of all. I'm your English teacher, Mrs. Alia Nadeem, and I'm back with my new lesson. And the topic is the same, The Miracle of Radio, Part 2. And this lesson is for class first year Hyderabad board, and subject is English. So let's start today's lesson. First of all, we will learn what are the desired learning objectives of today's lesson. Students will be able to describe about wireless waves, illustrate the beginning of sound broadcasting and its origin. Introduction of lesson. We are going to do the quick recap of our last lesson, of our previous lesson. First of all, we are going to do the introduction of today's lesson. First of all, we will know what is communication. It means the activity of conveying information, sending messages, sharing news, and useful talk. It could be journal information which we are sharing, or it could be related to entertainment and fun. Nowadays, our favorite time pass is to collect and sharing news, because we are doing it because we have quick and easy means of communication. There are a lot of means of communication nowadays. It started with the invention of radio, then television, telephone, computer, mobile phones, and most rapid of all, internet. We are going to study in our today's lesson who were the pioneers of all that chain. Okay, there are few prominent names. Maxwell discovered the fundamental principles of wireless. Hertz discovered the concept of waves. Marconi invented the instruments which propagated these thoughts and put into practice. So, introduction of the lesson. Rapid communication is a great breakthrough of modern age. Invention of wireless is a milestone achievement which paved the way to a number of miracles. Radio is the masterpiece of the last phone of 19th century. Of the last phase of 19th century, the three European torchbearers who earned great name for their remarkable contributions in this regard are James Clerk Maxwell. He was an Englishman. He was actually a Scottish scientist. He worked in the field of mathematical physics. His notable achievement was to formulate the classical theory of electromagnetic radiation. Number 2, Heinrich Hertz. He was a German. He was born in 1857, Hamburg, Germany, who showed the Scottish scientist Maxwell the theory of electromagnetism. His inventions are radar, wireless telegraphy, and radio transmission, and many others. Guglielmo Marconi. The Guglielmo Marconi was actually inventor of radio. He was the person who invented the radio, and he was a Nobel Prize winning. The Nobel Prize winning inventor Guglielmo Marconi developed the first effective system of radio communication. Through his experiments in wireless telegraphy, Marconi developed the first effective system of radio. In 1899, he founded the Marconi Telegraph Company. In 1901, he successfully sent wireless signals across the Atlantic Ocean, in fact across the world. Okay students, we have done the quick recap of all the lesson. We are going to do in today's new and fresh lesson the answer these questions. Question number 1, at what speed do wireless waves move? The wireless waves move at the speed of 29,009,792.5 km per second. The light waves also move at the same speed. So students, we have noticed the speed of the wireless waves and the light waves are the same. They travel with the same speed. Why were wireless waves once called Hertzian waves? The answer is wireless waves were once called Hertzian waves because Heinrich Hertz, the German scientist, was the first person who discovered these waves? During what period did sound broadcasting become generally established? Sound broadcasting became generally established in 1920s. It became possible to send messages by speech and not through the awkward codes. Music as well as speech could be broadcasted. Okay, students, we have to stop here for the understanding of this answer. Before 1920s, the sound broadcasting was started, but it was in a form of awkward codes sent by some persons to the other persons. They are mostly traveling in the ship or in the sea, or they are on mostly on sea voyage. And but after in 1920s it became possible to send proper messages through speech. Okay, these messages were not based on just codes or quick messages. These messages were in the form of speech. In what way is television an advance upon sound broadcasting? Television is an advanced upon sound broadcasting because pictures are also telecasted along the sounds. Okay, television is very advanced way of sending the news because it not only sends pictures but also sends sounds with it, and it becomes the things more interesting and more creative as well. So that's why television has become a very advanced way of sending the news. What is the function of radar? The function of radar is to locate position of aircraft ship. During the war, radar played an immensely important part in air defense of Great Britain. Okay, students, we have to first of all we should know what is the function of radar. Radar is a sort of machine, is a revolving machine which throws a signal in the air, and these signals are caught by the ships in the era in the time of war, and it played a very great role in the Second World War, and the Great Britain took very great benefit from the radar, from the working of radar. What use can the astronomer make of radio? The astronomer can now explore the vast universe by the use of radio telescope. It works by detecting radio waves sent by distant stars. So, students, there are unending benefits which the astronomers are getting through the radio waves. They are sending pictures, they are receiving pictures and information through the telescope, radio telescope, and it has become a very useful sort of thing for the sending of messages. Okay, students, you have to read the whole lesson again, and you have to write down the detailed answers of these questions, because the answers of these questions are present in your book page number. You have to study book page number 53 to 55 again, and the answers of these questions you can find out from the book as well, and you will write down in the answer in a sort of assignment, and you have to send me in my own person WhatsApp number. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.